Good morning, students. How are you all today? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Let us revise our chapter number 1, that is the computer, a smart machine. Dear students, do you know what is machine? What is machine? Machine is a device which helps us to make our work easier and faster. Machine is a device which helps us to make our work easier and faster. Device which make our work easy and faster. Now tell me, how many machines you can see around your house? Yes, give me the answer. Yes, you can see bus, car, iron, toaster, microwave, bicycle, etc. You can see so many devices or machines around your house or inside your house which helps you to do your work more easily and quickly. But these devices are categorized under 3 categories. We can say these machines can be divided into 3 parts. First is the machines that works with electricity. The machines that work with electricity are called electrical machines. The machines that work with electricity are called electrical machines. And the machines that work with fuel are called motor, or we can say machines with fuel. And the machines that work with manual power or human power, machines that work with manual power. Manual power is what is manual power? It is a human power. The machine that works with manual power is known as manual machines. These are called manual machines. These are called machines. So machines are categorized in 3 parts. First, the machines that work with electricity, the machines that work with fuel, and the machines that work with manual power. The machines that work with electricity और जो electricity से चलती है that are called electrical machines. The machines that works with fuel, जो fuel डालने से चलती हैं that are called motor और machines with fuel. और machines that work with manual power or human power that are called manual machines. Okay, now these electrical machines are iron. We can which machine work with electricity? Microwave, AC. Okay, now name 3 machines that work with fuel. We can say car, aeroplane, bus. These are the machines that work with fuel. And these name 3 examples that work with manual power, that are bicycle works with manual power. Rickshaw rickshaw or Third one is sewing machine. जिससे मम्मा कपड़े सिलते हैं, that is called the sewing machine. And the machine with which we wash our clothes, that are washing machine. That is the washing machine, and that works with electricity. And this machine works with manual power. Okay. Now, in the same way, computer is also an electronic machine. It is also called a smart machine. It is also called a smart machine. Computer is also a smart machine. It works with electricity. It stores large amount of data, and it can work very fast. It makes our work easy, and it never gets tired. So this is all about the chapter. Now give me the answer. Let us revise questions. I will ask you the question and you have to give me the answer. Okay? Television works with which power? Television works with which power? Tell me. Television किससे चलता होगा? Fuel, manual or electricity? Yes. Television works with electricity. Okay, good. Now, cycle works with which power? Cycle works with which power? There are three types of machines. Now, tell me, cycle works with which power? Fuel. Cycle works with fuel? No. Cycle works with electricity? No. Cycle works with manual power? Yes. The answer is manual power. Okay, or human power. Now, car works with which power? Car works with which power? कार किससे चलती है? मैनुअल पावर से? नो. Electricity? No. It works with fuel. So we can say car works with fuel. Now tell me, what is machine? Machine is a device which make our work easier and faster. Name three machines which work with electricity. Now, three machines that work with electricity are iron, microwave, AC, computer, washing machine. You can say many more. Okay. Now, name three machines that work with fuel. With fuel, you can say how many examples are there? Car, aeroplane, bus, scooter, truck, okay, train. These are the examples that work with fuel. Name three machines that work with manual power. Manual power is a human power. The machines that work with human power are bicycle, rickshaw, sewing machine, etc. Okay. Now tell me, the computer runs on dash: water, electricity or fuel? Yes, it runs with electricity, or it can work with electricity. Okay. Machines are made by dash: man, nature or God? Machines are made by God? No. Nature? No. Man? Yes. Machines are made by man. A computer never gets tired. Computer never gets tired. Now, computer never makes